The wonders of Amazon. Amazon is one of the biggest e-retailers in the world today, owning 74% of the e-commerce market share, according to WWD. They have everything you need from Apple products to Zen. With more than 20 categories to choose from, Amazon makes shopping more convenient and secure. I'm going to share with you today how to use Amazon's success to your advantage by opting in on their affiliate program. Some things you will find in this course are an in-depth definition of the Amazon affiliate program, advantages of being an Amazon associate, tips to become a successful Amazon associate, the do's and don'ts of the Amazon associate program. What is the Amazon affiliate program? But did you know that you can actually earn profits from Amazon? They run one of the most popular affiliate programs online, also known as the Amazon Associates Program. This is an affiliate marketing program that allows website owners and bloggers to earn commissions through the use of an affiliate link. In a nutshell, you are basically helping retailers find lifelong customers and promoting brand loyalty. It provides consumers with the convenience of referring them to a trusted site where they can immediately purchase products that you recommend. You can earn up to 8.5% in referral fees. Why choose Amazon affiliates? The Amazon affiliate program is considered to be one of the world's fastest growing and easiest internet marketing techniques to earn passive income. Cost effective, massive reach, and no unnecessary fees involved. And the affiliate program is bundled with high conversion rates. When a customer clicks your link, they are directed straight to Amazon, and you will get a percentage of anything they buy for the next 24 hours. It's that simple. Amazon pays associates based on the entire purchase price, not just the product you advertised. Regardless whether they purchase the exact product you recommend or not, you will get the commission for their purchase, provided they check out before the shopping cart expires. In other words, you don't have to advertise junk on your website or coerce customers to buy your recommendation. You can recommend the products you believe in and let them make up their own mind and still get a cut of the sale. The very best part about the program, it is absolutely free. How much can you earn? So there's this rumor floating around out there that Amazon pays only 4%. That might not seem like a lot if your website is centered around being thrifty or making things yourself. But remember, you are redirecting your viewers to the biggest shopping site in the world. Think of it like a big grocery store. There's a reason they stick sodas and candy in the checkout lanes. And that 4% rumor is just that. 4% is the minimum turnaround. The more they buy, the more you get, up to 8.5%. The base rate that you will earn depends on the product category. Amazon coins can earn as much as 10%, while video game console products earn 1%. Everything else is calculated by sales for the month, so depending on your site's content, you could be earning more or less on qualifying purchases. Amazon keeps an updated chart of their affiliate page so you can see where the type of products you might be linking will fall. In short, the more purchases that are made through your redirect, the more income you can earn, and all without bashing your viewers over the head with heavy advertising schemes, some of which are prohibited in the affiliate rules. How do you get started? Sign up. Amazon makes it simple to register. Account approval normally takes 24 to 48 hours, and it is free to join. As soon as your account has been approved, you can start adding links, recommending good products that your viewers will already want, and collecting passive income. Use your existing blog. If you already have written content, then there's an opportunity to add links. I learned the trick from a small budget indie film producer years ago. He scanned through a script I was working on to evaluate who he could pitch it to in order to use advertising money. He found every instance of soda or beer and had me replace them with a generic label so that he could count the placement spots. On your blog, you can simply replace product mentions with a link. Find a niche. If you are starting from scratch, it is best to find a niche that will work for you and build your website around it. This would also work with the veteran bloggers out there. It is highly suggested to create a specific blog or website around each product category. If you are into the blog for business reasons, then this shouldn't be an issue. If you want something personal, design your blog in such a way that product placement will look natural. Maximize exposure. Use all of that website prime real estate. Amazon associates have widgets and online stores that you can add to your website template. You can also list several recommended products or top 10 lists in your sidebar. They even have a plugin to make your life easier. This does a great job of improving click rates. This will allow you to quickly insert a text-based affiliate link. Moreover, through plugins, you can use product image as an affiliate link, and you can also convert US Amazon links to UK, GR, etc. by link location. Optimize your blog or website. Adopt search engine optimization techniques such as keyword density, short URLs, and backlinks to increase traffic to your website. The more people visit your site, the more clicks you will have on your Amazon Associates link. Link directly to the product page. This should go without saying, but it's a common mistake that most new affiliates make. They link to a search results page or a category homepage. Try to put yourself into your customer's shoes. You do not want to read another article when you are ready to purchase, do you? It is all about making a smooth transition from the product page to the actual purchase in Amazon. Be authentic and natural. Knowing your niche, the essentials. If you want to fail like a boss, then take your existing page and convert it to an advertisement for everything under the sun. Fill it with links to absolutely everything and leave your readers feeling like they just spent 10 minutes watching a bunch of commercials instead of gaining value from your site. If you want to keep your viewers and build that side income on the side, you need to stick with your niche. Don't advertise camping products if your blog is about personal fitness or nutrition. Designing blogs in an attempt to tempt your readers into buying everything on Amazon is the fastest way to fail. Not only will they not follow the links, they'll stop visiting. The niche you choose is the most important decision you will make. It is much easier to make money through Amazon's affiliate program if your visitors are looking for a specific product that your website discusses. So, take those products you love so much, with the content you love, and share them with your audience in a natural way. Go back to your mission statement and make sure that your advertising goals are in line with your goals for the website. It's that simple. This will be easier for some than others, but that doesn't mean it has to be complicated. Talk about and link to products you endorse. Remember, your name is going to be attached to every recommendation, specifically if you are running a blog. Don't tarnish your reputation by linking to things half-heartedly. There's plenty of products out there which are aligned with your goals and purpose. Basically, your readers are on your blog because they look up to you and want the same products that you are personally using to achieve the similar results. Write product reviews and buying guides. Experts suggest that these topics easily convert to sales primarily because it creates value for your consumers. Believe it or not, your readers appreciate a detailed report, as this suggests extensive research from the writer, rather than an article that merely pushes for sales. Like any other marketing campaign, Amazon affiliate campaigns need a strong foundation. You need to have a structured plan in place. Always remember that people can easily go to the Amazon for the purchase, and they do not need some link to get them to their product. Your job here is to provide value for your customers that will motivate them to buy from your link. Writing to generate sales. Your readers come to you because they like your writing, your attitude, and the benefit that you bring to their lives. Maybe they haven't decided yet what to buy, and they rely on you for your expert advice. It is up to you how to convince them to choose the products you promote. Keep in mind that this is not a hard selling. You do not need to be pushy. This will only damage your credibility as a blogger. Instead, think from a visitor's perspective. Put yourself in their shoes and ask yourself, what will make you buy the product? This is the most effective way to convince any potential customers. More often than not, customers are just looking for a final piece of information to be convinced that the product is right for them. Own that.